Okay, post-only orders. We're looking at 62.84.5 right now. 62.84.5 right now. I'm going to buy long. It's going to say order has blah 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 blah. Participate, do not initiate. Which basically means, in my words, you can't go behind price, you have to go in front of the price. So if I set a long at 62.85, it should let it sit there. Well, it doesn't want to let it sit there. So 62.84, I bet you I'll get filled if I keep trying. If it goes back down to 62.84, of course it's not working. Alright, I got it in. I don't know why it was acting funny. Maybe I'm retarded. So my order's sitting there, and now I have to wait for the order to fill. And it might not fill. The price could move up or down while my order's sitting on it, and it might not fill at all. 62.84.5. 62.84.5. Let's cancel that. Go along. Again, it doesn't want me to allow it. 62.85.5. Buy long. 62.83.5. There's got to be some explainable rules somewhere around here about what that participate do not initiate means. So let's see if I can get filled here. I'm going to pause it, and so we're not wasting a bunch of time. And if we do get filled, you're going to see my P&L. I'm actually going to get paid the fee. And of course, the price is completely frozen. So I'm going to see if I can amend this to something that'll get filled. Alright, we are filled. 2,000 contract. Get rid of you, get rid of you. My realized P&L here is 0, which is strange because it's usually instantly green. It's usually 0.0001 or 0001. So I'm going to try and close this at 62.84.5. 62.84.5. Close my order there. And I'm using the post-only order again, so we'll see my account balance, available balance, 69.29. It's probably not going to change a measurable amount. But we'll see if we can get a fill, and I might have to pause it again so I'm not wasting everybody's time. Okay, you can't see it on the realized P&L here, but you can see it on account, and I had to pause it and go there to make sure I wasn't going to dox myself. But if I go to account and see my position here, 200 long, my realized P&L, this is the fee that I'm being paid. This is my unrealized P&L, of course, profit or loss. So this is the fee that I'm getting paid to make that post-only order. So hopefully I'm going to get out of this without any loss, and I'm going to pause it again. So before I get out of the trade, you can see it's 7956. What is that? 79 satoshis, or however that works. So I guess the realized P&L only shows up if it's greater than, it has to be at least 4 decimal spaces or higher. So 6281. I'm going to go to 6280.5 and see if I can't buy 2,000 more contracts. I'm going to get the P&L up over that decimal requirement to be shown in the box if it gives me a fill. I think I risk bringing the price farther to the downside if I actually do get a fill at 6280.5, but we'll see what happens. Alright, I didn't get my fill on the 6280.5, so I'm going to cancel that order. And hopefully this candle wicks up and hits my post-only order sitting at 6284.5. And if it does, you may temporarily see this P&L change to a green number. Okay, so my order just filled. That's to close the position. That's the smallest scalp known to man. So let's go to account here. Remember, I was at 79 Satoshi, 79.85, I think. Realized P&L. That one right there is the profit that I made off of that trade, and then that 79 something. It's hard to do the math on here. Let me pause it and see if I don't dox myself in the next window. Okay, I apologize if that looks funny. I'm just trying not to dox myself here. So you can see when I sold that 2,000, I got paid this fee. When I bought that 2,000, remember these are post-only orders, I got paid this fee. So these are the other trades you can see that I have been doing with that new method of using post-only orders. They're paying me the fee anymore. You can look at your own trade history here and compare it and see what it looks like when you're paying the fees. I have used a couple of market orders. I have used a couple of limit orders, and you can see on these market orders you're obviously paying them. And these limit orders too. That was probably a hidden one. I used hidden ones for the longest time. In fact, we can scroll down here, and I don't know. Some of these are funding, but you can see for the majority of my trading, I have been paying the fee to trade. And now that I've discovered this new trick, you can see all the green, and they're actually paying me to trade. I hope that explains it.